We're trying to get the girls to get used to laying in this new nesting box. So we sacrificed a day's worth of eggs and we just put a ton of eggs in there. And I've been showing them to the girls. And now they're finally starting to get interested. You don't always have to do it this way. This is just how we do it. So hopefully they'll start laying in there. One lady already did. And I was so proud of her. The other ladies, nope, they have not figured it out. Not yet. But it's not even been a full day. We'll give them time. I expect them to learn to do this in the next couple days, maybe. Maybe even take up to a week for all the ladies to figure it out. Go on, girl. Yeah. See, it's so comfy in there. Huh. Oh, are you gonna figure it out? Oh. So the older ladies right now are going through what's called a molt, where they shed their old feathers, getting ready for winter. It's like buying a brand new jacket. Somebody's watching us. Good girls. You can see right there that her new feathers are starting to come in. They're called pin feathers. So that chicken, she was, I think, one of the first ones. No, second groups that we got when we first started chickens. So she's of the age to where she molts. Some other chickens, like new chickens, let's see, like that one. That's one that we rescued this spring, and it was a new hatch from somebody. And they had too many chickens, and they were like, hey, can you take some for us? Because we can't take them all. So we did. And she's so young that she won't molt this year, but she'll molt next year. They are really talking. Come on, sweetheart. You can see she doesn't really have a tail to speak of. Feathers right there. So those are her new feathers growing back in. She'll look so beautiful once all of her feathers come back. Right now, she kind of looks like a train wreck. Alright, look at that guy. Oh, he's so handsome. There's Bombshell again. Just being so happy. They are really enjoying this new enclosure that we built for them. Hi, guys. So that one is either an olive egger roux or Marion, I think. And then that one is a barred rock hen. And that one is a gold lace Wyandotte. That's a girl, I believe. Oh, yeah, I think that's a girl. And that's a silver lace Wyandotte. Oh, it looks like they're kind of figuring it out. Except for that one back there. You see that one? That one's trying to lay in the other spot. I already chased her out of there once. Yeah, look at all those eggs, huh? No, guys, I don't want you to lay there, okay? Let's take you. Down here. Look. All right. See, you're okay, honey. You're okay. Look, go in there. Go in there to lay your egg. She's like, oh, other chickens have laid here. Look, guys, this is how we do it. Doesn't mean that it's the best way to do it. Doesn't mean that this is the only way to do it. It's just what we've found has worked for us. And when you get your homestead, or you get chickens, or a small garden, you know, wherever you are in your journey, you have to find what works best for you. It's going to take some time, and that's okay. It's okay. You mess up, that's all right. You figure it out. You try something else. If that doesn't work, you try something else. That doesn't work, you try something else. Just like in life, you don't give up. You just try something else. Why don't you go over there? Look at that nice nesting box. That's where we want you to lay. No, you just want to lay right there, don't you? She's one of our more stubborn chickens. That's okay. They'll learn. Sometimes I really wish I had a trail cam or something that I could hook up and just watch the chickens all day. You're just waiting for me to leave so that you can lay your eggs there. So what should her name be? I don't know. She really is stubborn though. Anyways, looks like the rest of the gals starting to kind of think about going in there. It'd be really great if they did start laying in there. Yeah, you curious? It's really funny because once one or two like kind of claim a nesting box, all the other girls want to use that nesting box or that area in the yard or something like that. And it's just so funny to me because that's why we only have 3 nesting boxes with shavings in it, because we have several chickens laying hens, but they'll only use like 1 or 2 nesting boxes. It's almost like they're saying, hey, which one are you going to use? Which one are you going to use? I don't know, I want to use yours. No, I want to use yours. her down. What? What you saying? Huh? What you saying? This one, oh, she's the one who is getting the new pin feathers, isn't she? Yep. She's just kind of hunched over a little bit. That's kind of worrying. Hopefully that's just because she's a little bit cold. I don't know. Oh, getting more interested in it. She's still staring in there. Like, what you gonna do? Oh. Well, are you gonna go in? Now that one's Sweetie. She's a real sweetheart, for the most part. Hey, Sweetie. Oh, hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You girls just want to lay back there, don't you? No, come on. Come over here and lay. It's more fun. These have just kind of put themselves in jail. Well, if you've stayed with me for this long, it's probably because you're either one of my family members, hi guys, or you just like looking and watching chickens be chickens. There's Bombshell again. Hey, Bombshell. Well, I really appreciate it. The money that we make off of YouTube really does help us rescue chickens and help when their owners can't take care of them. We take them in. Hey, sweetheart. And genuinely, I just want to say thank you for watching and subscribing and everything. It really does mean a lot. What are you doing, sweetie? Hi. Really? I think it's so funny, the little head shake that he does after he after he crows. So see, they get to learn each other. Aw, be nice. Be nice to everyone. And this is why they're separated for now. And these are the females. Could you just imagine what the males would do to each other if we didn't keep them separated? Hey guys, come on. You guys are gonna have to become friends. I wonder what they're saying to each other. Oh, here's Girardelli. One of our local teens named him that. He's so fancy. Hi, Girardelli. What was that? See, Girardelli, he doesn't care. He's like, ooh, some more ladies. And the ladies are like, I will hurt you. Oh boy. Yeah, and Girardelli couldn't care less. Oh, this can go on forever and ever. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Check if there's any eggs. Look at these ladies. No. I really appreciate all the views, the likes. Feel free to comment. Hopefully nice things. And just have a wonderful, wonderful day.